Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore an event in trash on Google Calendar. So for to restore already deleted event on Google Calendar, here that you can get it done. So for you to get it done, click on this gear button, then click on trash, then right here you have the list of the deleted event from your Google Calendar and take about 30 days before you can recover it. After that 30 days, it will automatically delete and permanently delete from your trash. So right here, you have a particular event you want to recover, just click on it. Just click on that particular event. Once you do that, then click on this particular button which is restore, or probably just click on the particular one you want to restore. Once you do that, then use this button to restore it, or if you want to permanently delete it, here you can use this trash button to delete all selected option. That's it. If any video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.